This is my Juno Co Microfiber Velvet Sponge. So this is a latex-free sponge that uses a dual layer technology for the best makeup application use. So I love these little sponges. I feel like I go through so many of them, so I wanted to try out kind of more of a value pack. Given this price is the equivalent as to what I've paid for one single sponge before. So it was worth a shot, and I am super happy that I did. I personally like to use these sponges wet. You can use them both wet or dry. However, I like a nice kind of glowy look, so I use it wet. So I've just used it for underneath my eyes for concealer. You'll see it in the video here that you can use it for a ton of different products. So foundation next, same. I still have it a little bit damp. You could use it dry. You just want to still pat it the same way, but it's going to give you kind of more of a matte looking finish, I find, if you use it with dry products or dry itself. I pretty much like to use all liquid products. So you can see here I'm doing a highlighter again, so same, really helps emphasize it. And because this sponge has so many angles to it, it really makes it easy to apply to different areas. So the angled side, I like my blush in kind of a upward stroke, so that's kind of the way I'm maneuvering my sponge, but also on the corner angle of it. Then you can also go over, like if you want to set your highlighter, you can use this sponge as well to set your highlighter with a powder highlighter as well. So double up on the highlighter to get a super glow here. I use this with all my products, and then I even got it a little bit more wet to emphasize that glowiness. You can, however, take it with your powder. So I've got kind of just a setting powder here to help kind of the longevity of all of these. And I think it just gives it a really nice finish. That slanted edge is really great too if you're trying to get in kind of around your eyes. You're going to be able to get in nice and close. For contouring as well, you've got that perfect kind of slant edge for really making a crisp, clean, contoured look. Then if you're using that kind of flatter bottom, it's great for kind of larger areas. If you're trying to cover your forehead, cheeks, or chin, or even just like around your mouth. I love the finish with all of the makeup, and the sponge did a lot of the work. Check it out.